Okay, so we'll go to the page sign in. So here, if at all in any kind of dashboard, or if you're in a home page and you want to get back to where you can actually work in backend, you can just click on quick edit and come to this page. In this page, you have basically, first of all, the page number, that is page number 27, and the name of the page here, you can name it as whatever you want. I've named it as task force. It gives Elia's name by itself. You can name the title, and this is basically a page. There are different kinds of page if you want to create. For example, if you click on create new page, you can create a calendar or a card or a kind of chart, or you can load your data, you can integrate it with maps, you can form a kind of report and integrate it with grids or create form. And there are various kind of page that you can create. They come inbuilt. So best part about Oracle FX is you don't have to sit and code everything. It is a low code platform, and hence you can work without knowing anything about coding. So this is the task force. This is kind of rendering, means before header, the header, anything. This is the header, and after header, before header, they're all some kind of sections. So before regions is basically the body of whatever. This here, whatever I have, is a region. Here you can create many regions. The breadcrumb bar, you can just click on breadcrumb, right click it, and now you can either duplicate it or create a new region below it. You can create a new sub region below it. You can create a button. You have many options here. If it only I want to create a region below it, I can just create on it. I can name it whatever I want. Okay. And in identification, you have many kind of static type. This is basically the page type that we had seen here while creating a page. Supposedly you create an interactive report from this option, and now you realize that it's not an interactive option, it's a map. Okay, you can always go and change, but with respect to that, you have to suppose it shows a red error here. You need to click on that, and you need to give the table name. A very important thing about Oracle FX is you need to have clear picture about what you want to share from the SQL tables. You need to have an idea about SQL table. You need to create a table beforehandedly and then use it over here. In this SQL workshop thing, there is an object browser. Object browser is just to browse. I'll leave it as it is. It's very okay. So object browser is here you can click on any kind of table you want to search for. For example, I want to search for this. This is a test table that I created in the prior video. And here, if you want to create a new table, you can always go and create a new table. And supposedly, I can just create this table and all the column names and all. You can add it from here. If at all you want to do that from SQL commands, you can click on SQL commands and then click the code. Run the code here. Here's the run option, and then you can insert the values if at all you want, one by one. Supposedly you have created a table, but you have not inserted any options, and the data to insert it one by one takes plenty of hours. You can just go to the table name that you had made. Supposedly Avas category is a table, and these are the column names. Here, click on data, and then just click on load data, and whatever file you want to choose, let that be CSV or Excel or text, you can just choose it from here and load the data. The only thing is, all these column names that I showed, for example, this category, category ID, subcategory created by, all these columns should match the column names in your Excel file. Only then it will match both the tables and input the data into this original table. So from here, you can always access this page. So yeah, this was basically it. Then we'll go back to app builder. Then I'll go to task that I created. I'll go to home page. So that's it. We can always